Hi guys, welcome back. So this is my first upload for about a month, and the reason behind that is the last time I uploaded a video I was actually in lockdown. I was having to self-isolate for a couple of weeks, and unfortunately due to that self-isolation it really affected my motivation, and the very last thing I wanted to do was pick up a camera. So it's actually took me quite a while to get back into it. So this is my first upload for December, and I thought I'd start off tonight with a wrap video. So hope you enjoy that. So yeah, here we go. This is Turning Back the Clock. So I originally filmed this video at the start of November, and as I say, it's a wrap video. So here it is. I've got some vegan burrito wraps. Enjoy. So I'm going to start by running you through some of today's ingredients. This is the boil in the bag rice that we'll be using today. It's a really good way of portion control. So next on the list we've got some fresh coriander leaves, 2 reasonably sized salad tomatoes, 1 whole lime which we'll be cutting and using the juice out of. We've got 1 whole courgette, which as in my other recipes will be going in the spiralizer in order to use in the burritos. Some black beans, which will be the main source of protein in today's recipe. And last but not least, some vegan tortilla wraps. So first off, we're going to get the rice going. So we're just going to pour some boiling water in there with the rice and let that boil for about 15 minutes while we prepare the other ingredients. So next we're going to take the courgette and we're going to put this in the spiralizer again like we did in the other videos. And as I say, this is just it adds a really good texture to the courgette, and it's something a little bit different. Once we've spiralised the courgette, we're then going to take the 2 salad tomatoes and we're going to dice them up quite finely, because these are going to go in the pan with the courgette, and obviously we don't want too big of chunks in the wraps. So next we're going to juice the lime, and if you don't have a juicer, the best way I find, as you can see on the screen, is I'm going to chop this in half, then use a fork to try and loosen the insides and then squeeze it out. Once we've got as much juice out of the lime as possible, we're going to move on to the coriander leaves. Now these have got to be very, very finely chopped, because we're going to mix this in with the rice. It adds a lot of flavour and it gives the dish quite a lot of colour, so it's going to look great. So now I've got all my ingredients prepped. The rice has been cooking for about 5 minutes, so I need to try and get all of this stuff into the wok and get it ready, so when the rice is ready to go, we can start building some wraps. So I'm going to use some 1 cal spray in the wok, and then I'm going to get it nice and hot before we start putting the ingredients in. So in no particular order, I'm going to add the spiralised courgettes, the tomatoes and the black beans into the wok and start them off cooking. So once the veg has started to soften up, I'm then going to add some Cajun seasoning. Now this will give the wraps quite a spicy taste. Obviously taste it as you go, and only add enough Cajun seasoning to suit yourselves. So now I'm going to prep the rice. So I'm going to take the rice out of the bag because it's now cooked, and I'm going to add it into a new pan. So while the rice is still hot, I'm then going to add the chopped coriander and the lime, and I'm going to mix this in. Now it's important to do it while it's still hot, that way the rice will absorb all the flavour from the lime juice and coriander. So once the lime and coriander are mixed into the rice, we're then going to add this into the wok with the rest of the vegetables and make sure we mix it all together well. So last but not least, we're going to add all of our cooked ingredients into the wraps. Now these work out really good at 342 calories per wrap. So if you're having 2 wraps each, there's normally enough in this particular recipe to do 4 wraps. So it's a really good recipe to share with another person. Obviously some people might want to add a bit of guacamole, and obviously if you are calorie counting, don't forget to add the guacamole on as well. And if you did want to give this particular recipe a go, guys, I have included it in the video description below. So guys, that's about all we've got time for today. Thanks for joining me again. I am back now, so hopefully I should be putting out another video towards the start of next week, and what I'll be doing in that one is heading over to West Midlands Airsoft FOB site, and we'll be doing some outdoor airsoft, so definitely tune in for that. As I say, thanks for watching again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like the videos, and leave a comment in the comments box below. Cheers, see you again.